Kelly, did you miss me? Hi, baby. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. You look good. Remember me? Do you remember me in my hat? So my name is Jeanne Kaufman. I'm a monitor for the Miami-Dade Eagle Nest, and I've been watching them like from 2016. Started monitoring the nest at the new location that I discovered in 2020, and then they had 2021 they had their chicks on the nest, and then 2022 Rita had been injured and couldn't go on from there. So I started watching Rita back in 2016. She was at a nest in Miami-Dade County, and I watched her for a few years and then lost track of her, and that nest tree fell down, and then I ultimately discovered her again. Her baby, two babies, were on the nest at the time, and then the nest fell down. One of them didn't make it, but the other one did, and had a broken wing. And it's a very similar story there with Rita. Was rescued, and then I watched Rita go on and have babies on that nest, and with the camera on the nest. So at that point, the following year, Rita was ready to lay eggs again, and she was badly injured and ended up with surgeries and rehabilitation, and ultimately lost her wing, so part of that wing. I'm just so thrilled that she found her way here and was able to stay in Florida. She's a Florida bird, so I was very happy that she found her way down here, and Kelly was able to keep her as an ambassador for her species.